Imagine your iPhone talking to you when you receive an important email, automatically lowering the volume so you don't get embarrassed in public, and even turning Bluetooth on the moment you start driving. Most iPhone users never touch automations, and that's a huge mistake. In today's video, I'm showing you 10 powerful iPhone automations that actually matter in daily life. These are not complicated, and once you set them up, your iPhone works for you in the background. Let's jump right in. Now open the Shortcuts app, tap Automation at the bottom, then tap the plus icon in the top right. Now scroll down and tap App. Choose the app, for example, Instagram, then tap Done. Make sure is opened is selected, then tap Run immediately and Next. Now tap Create New Shortcut. In the search bar, type Set Volume. Tap Set Volume. Make sure Media is selected, not Ringtone, and then change the volume to 0%, 10%, or 20%. It's up to you, whatever you prefer. Then tap Done. Now, this automation helps you avoid embarrassing situations in public. No loud reels, no sudden sounds, especially when opening Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Once you open that specific app, the volume gets down to the percentage that you want. Now, next one. Go back to automation, then tap the plus icon, then app, and choose YouTube, and then tap Done. Make sure is opened is selected, then tap Run immediately, then Next. Now search for Set Orientation Lock, then tap it and change the toggle to turn off and tap Done. Whenever you open YouTube, screen rotation turns on automatically. It means that the portrait orientation lock is off. Now, how to turn orientation lock back on when you close that app. Now again, tap the automation and then plus icon, then app again and choose that specific app, which is maybe YouTube. Now this time, turn is opened off and turn is closed on. Select that one. Now tap Run immediately, then Next, search for Set Orientation Lock and change it to Turn On and tap Done. You get landscape mode for videos and portrait lock everywhere else automatically. Let's move to the next one. Now your iPhone speaks when battery reaches a specific percentage. Go to the automation, then the plus icon again and tap on battery level. Now choose equals 20% or any percentage you want. Now tap Run immediately and then Next. Tap Create New Shortcut, search for Speak Text. Tap Text and type something like battery is at 20%, please charge your iPhone or whatever you want. You can adjust the voice, speed, and language if you want, then tap Done. You will never miss a low battery warning even if your iPhone is in your pocket. Now let's move to the next one. Again, your iPhone speaks when you plug it in. Go to the automation plus icon, then charger, and select is connected. Now tap Run immediately, then Next. Add Speak Text, then type iPhone is charging. Tap Done. If the cable is loose or the switch is off, your iPhone tells you instantly, because you would know that your iPhone didn't talk to you, didn't speak that phrase, you would know that. Now, let's move to the next one. iPhone speaks when battery reaches 80%. Again, automation, plus icon, and battery level. Choose equals 80% or any percentage, then tap Run immediately, then Next. Add Speak Text, type something like battery charged 80% or whatever you want, then tap Done. Perfect for people who stop charging at 80% to protect battery health. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps Tech Tips grow and it motivates me to make more useful iPhone content like this. Now let's move to the next one. Now again, we are going to go to the automation, plus icon, now tap on battery level. Choose falls below 25% or any number you want. Tap Run immediately, then Next. search for Set Low Power Mode and turn it on. Tap Done. Why is this useful? You don't have to wait for Apple's default 20% more control, better battery life. Next one, again automation and then plus icon and charger. Choose is connected, tap run immediately, then next. Search for set low power mode or set airplane mode. Now turn it on and tap done. Why is this useful? Your iPhone charges faster by reducing background activity. The next automation, again automation plus icon and driving. Select when driving begins, tap run immediately, then next. Search for set Bluetooth, turn it on, and then tap done. This might be optional if you want to turn it off. Create another automation for when driving ends and turn Bluetooth off. Now, why is this useful? Safer driving, automatic car connection, and no phone usage while driving. Now, here is another one which will make your iPhone speaks when you receive an important message or email. Tap on automation plus icon, then message. Choose sender and select a contact. Tap run immediately, then next. Add speak text. Type something like important message received, then tap done. Why is this useful? Perfect when you're waiting for a job offer, university reply, or important message. You won't miss it. Your iPhone literally speaks. You can do the same steps when you want to make it for an important email as well. And the last one, turn cellular data off when connected to a specific Wi-Fi. Again, to go to the automation, plus icon, scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Now here choose the network that you want, tap done, and make sure is joint is selected and then run immediately. Now tap next. Here search for set cellular data. Tap on it and make sure you turn cellular data off. Now whenever your iPhone is connected to that Wi-Fi, cellular data will be off. This can save some mobile data for you. So, these were 10 iPhone automations that can seriously improve your daily experience. Once you set them up, they just work quietly in the background. If you found even one automation useful, hit the like button, and if you want more hidden iPhone tips, smart settings, and automation tricks, make sure you're subscribed. Let me know in the comments which automation was your favorite. I'll see you in the next video.